Hey, welcome back. Tonight we're making a pineapple salmon and I'm going to bake it in the oven. Let's get started. So you want to start off with 2 nice sized pieces of salmon, about 2.5 pounds. And we're going to go ahead and take those. You want to make sure you pat them dry with a paper towel, okay guys? So we're going to go ahead and season them up. I am just using pink Himalayan salt and ground black pepper. That's it. It's going to give your salmon a lot of flavor. Sometimes less is more. Now you want to go ahead and season both sides. And if you notice, I did take my skin off of my salmon because nobody likes that scaly skin, okay? All right, once you're done seasoning your salmon, we're going to go ahead and place our pineapples in the bottom of our pan. I'm using canned pineapples. This way I can use some of the juice left over for my marinade. So go ahead and place your salmon pieces right on top of the pineapples and place them aside. Next, we want to go ahead and start our marinade. So we're going to use sweet chili sauce, some lemon juice. We're going to go ahead and add in our coconut aminos. I'm using a Trader Joe's brand. Then you want to use your minced garlic. Toss that in there. It can be jarred or freshly minced. Next, we're going to add in our pineapple juice that we got from the can of pineapples. Then add in your melted vegan butter. If you have regular butter, that's fine. It's up to you. This is just my preference. Go ahead and mix everything up and make sure it's evenly and well mixed. Once that's done, you're going to go ahead and pour it right over top of your salmon. This is why you don't need any oil or anything in the pan, okay? Now, go ahead and pop it in the oven, and then we're going to start on our garnish because you know your girl got to have a garnish. We are chopping up some fresh cilantro. Look at that, guys. Our salmon is done. Look at that. So go ahead and plate your salmon up. We're going to spoon some of that sauce and the pineapples and place it over top. You can put some more sauce on there. It's just going to make your salmon even more juicier. And I baked this for 20 minutes, guys. Go ahead and sprinkle on your cilantro. Now you're done. Your salmon should be nice and flaky and juicy, and the marinade should have soaked into your salmon. Oh, and so delicious. And the pineapple gives it that extra little bit of sweetness.